Welcome to learn about astronomy, and this is the night sky for Wednesday, May 7th, 2014. So on that Wednesday evening of May 7th, what will the sky look like? Well, we are in our first quarter moon phase that was pretty much there in last evening, but it's still a little more in its what we call the first quarter moon. You can always see the phase of the moon on the upper right side of your screen, as the phases are always visible there in this video. As the sun is setting a few minutes later every evening of May for the northern hemisphere, we have Jupiter high in the west-southwest and easy to find and spot in the night sky. Why not train a little telescope? It's still time to see Jupiter and its different moons, which is always nice. In the south are very high first quarter moon shining, and always a beautiful sight. I actually find it so much fun to watch the moon's phases every evening. It's something that I find so lively. It's like, you know, everything's moving, changing. You see that something's happening in the sky. It's not static. Mars, orange star in the southeast, of course, and rising already very high actually as the sun is setting. Saturn rising a few minutes after sunset, and you'll probably need maybe half an hour to 45 minutes to actually spot it, because you have to wait for the sun to really get below the horizon. One of the problems is that the sky still is quite bright bluish sky, so it prevents Saturn from really showing up at least a good 45 minutes after 30 to 45 minutes after sunset. And it's pretty true for pretty much all the planets except the moon. The moon can be seen throughout the day. A lot of people actually have this weird notion that the moon is invisible during the day, and it's not the case. Actually, do a little test and go out an hour before sunset. If we just, scroll back here, if I go back to 7 p.m. or 6:30 p.m., you should see a first quarter moon actually in the southeast. So even if the sun is up, the sky is really blue, you will see that first quarter moon in the blue sky, and it's actually an interesting sight to look at. And as the evening progresses, we have, of course, Saturn rising, Mars very high in the sky in the south around 11 p.m. We have Jupiter setting around midnight, a little more after midnight. First quarter moon also setting as late evening in the west, northwest, around 2 a.m. We still have Mars and Saturn visible at that point. We have Neptune rising at 3 a.m. We have Venus, of course, queen of the morning, so check out if you are an early riser. And that's pretty much what we have for the evening of Wednesday, May 7th, 2014. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, why not ask away? And hopefully you will come back to learn about astronomy. Thanks for watching.